Toastmaster Hassan Jabir. What a confidence he is. When he came here, first, he came before his project, he tested the laptop, he tested the lights. This is what a Toastmaster should do. If you have such a project, you have to make sure that everything is prepared and arranged in advance. Thank you. Great job. Second thing, how I can say about his opening. It was a very attractive open. You know, when he just put on the laptop, he started with the, hello, hello. You know, everybody was shocking what he wants to say, what's the message he will convey to us. You know, that was a strong opening. That was really a great job. Thank you. I can say using facilities is also one of the plus points, which is Mr. Hassan, he used facilities. Also, if we go to his objective, it's saying that you have to convey the information to people, whereby we learn from him how the effective of the mobiles, how mobiles affect our health, how the mobile distracts people in the public. You should not convey your personal information through mobiles. How effective it was, how dangerous he was telling to us. So we have learned something from his project today. That is what the Toastmaster should be. When you put a project, make sure that people, they will learn from that. Not just to convey the speeches, no. Make sure the information you are giving here, it's very important and very useful. This is what Hassan has given to us today. Really, it was a great speech. I congratulate you for that. Anyhow, in Toastmaster, we have a room of improvement. So, I will point some few mistakes, I mean not the mistakes, the improvement which you could make it in the next speech. First, you are speaking very fast, you know. Okay, I know it's your nature, but we have to learn. We have to change our nature also. Your nature, you're speaking very fast, whereby the audience, they cannot catch you. And also the volume, it's just a standard volume. I wish if you could just make it up and more loud. When you're punching the points, it could be more effective. The speech could be more effective. Second thing, the conclusion was not that perfect. And I know why, the reason. The reason you was running short of time. Because you prepared a long speech, whereby you could not finish your speech, and the red light is there, so you decided to conclude there, whereby you should have a strong conclusion to convey, I mean to summarize your speech as a one word or a theme to convey your message. Rather than that, it was a great speech, and I wish to see you in the next speech more effective. But